I'm here at Brooklyn at a rally with camper vans, and I met a celebrity. You would know him from Van Alley. This is Drew and his self-built camper van, which is now for sale. So if you are maybe interested, I'll let him give you a special tour. So let's go.
Hey guys, thanks for swinging by the van. Big shout out to wherever you're going to coming through and doing a quick tour with us. But yeah, this is my project van that is for sale right now. So I'll walk you guys around it here quickly. Over here on this wall, we're looking at mostly storage options. So you got a bunch of overhead up here, both sides of this. And then this down below is two massive storage pockets in here and here. Forgive a little bit of mess in there from finishing off the last of the build. And then inside this cabinet over here is where we keep all our power goodies. So we've got a 2000 watt inverter in here, most of the fuse system and power distribution in there. And over here we have two 170 amp hour lithium batteries from Renogy. So this whole section here does compose your first sleeping option. So with the supports underneath here and here, you get a nice bed platform right here in this area, as you can see. And then we do have a secondary sleeper in this vehicle up above on the roof in our pop top, but we'll get over there in a second. If you want to come on inside, so it's kind of a unique layout in this one. We've got a rear kitchenette, which you don't usually see a ton of. But back here, you've got a nice deep sink here, water sprayer to wash out your dishes, a little bit more overhead storage here with an attachment for an outdoor shower that can twist right onto your faucet here and set up a little tent right out the back. Down below in this cabinet, you've got some more storage options. If you kind of peek through to the back here, you can kind of see this is where our water heater lives, as well as the diesel tank for our diesel air heater to keep you warm in the wintertime, and then freshwater storage right down below as well. Flipping over to the other side, you've got an AlpaCool dual zone fridge freezer. So you have options to have this be fridge on both sides, freezer on both sides, or one of each. And then a little bit more storage down below here. So right here, you've got your access up into the pop top through the vehicle, so you can climb up into here with minimal issue without having to go outside of the vehicle. You've also got a ladder on the rear of the vehicle that lets you hop right up there from that side as well. Couple of cool bonus features. We've got, 12 volt lighting throughout in here, and then we have RGB strip lighting underneath all of our cabinets. You can set these to any color, light flashing along with your music. And we do have a advanced sound system in here. We've got a subwoofer built into this bench with speakers here, and then one right behind you as well. And yeah, with those set up, watching a movie on the little monitor here, you really get a nice surround sound experience.
And we're only on a RAM 1500.
Yeah, so this is just a 1500 chassis Promaster. It's a 2017. So what's really nice about this is here in New York City, this is an amazing camper weekender vehicle because you can fit this vehicle in, a standard parking spot, but you can also sleep four in this. So for the type parking of the Northeast, this thing is a real plus, and it can still take you and the whole family camping out for the weekend.
And how long did it take you to build this?
So this one's an interesting project. I bought this kind of partially completed from a friend of mine, Rob, and he had put a lot into this, but just didn't have time to finish it up. So I bought it off him with all his components, and I spent, I think, 2 months of my own kind of turning this from his partially completed project into what you see today.
Because you're a celebrity among the van lifers. We know you from Van Alley back in the day, and you had another older van, right, back in the day?
Yeah, so back in the original Van Alley video that was with Patrick from New Jersey Outdoor Adventures, I was in an old 87 Dodge B350. That was actually my second old van. My first was a 1985 G20. That's the vehicle that kind of made me fall in love with van building and living on the road, and really propelled me into this sort of lifestyle. So yeah, as far as the power system goes in here, with the two lithium batteries in there, we've got 340 amp hours of lithium power storage. And then on the pop top on the roof, we've actually got 380 watts of solar up there. What's really nice about the positioning there is you can angle that up towards the sun and get your maximum solar efficiency out of that as well.
This little thing has a lot of power.
Yeah, it certainly does. For a small platform van, it's got a lot of room to sleep and a lot of power.
And you're selling this?
Yep, this one is for sale. So if anyone's curious, I'll make sure we include in like the description or something like that, or in a comment, all the details on where you can contact me. But yeah, this is a 2017 ProMaster 1500. It does have about 85,000 miles on it, so it is a used vehicle, but the price is going to be in consideration of that for sure.
Well, Drew, thank you so much for your time. This is a really cool rig, amazing job, and I hope you get a buyer very soon.
Awesome, thanks for swinging by to check it out.